Numit Humni ki Oiba clinical trial workshop among Ngashidagi Houna RIMS ki examination hall da Houdokkhre Multidisciplinary Research Unit MRU RIMS Imphal na intern ICMR CCOE KEMHRC Pune amadi Negrim Silonga Kusam Naduna Department of Health Research DHR Ministry of Health and Family Welfare Government of India amadi Indian Council of Medical Research ICMR New Delhi gi matinga loidena pangtokpa haukiba workshop aduda Professor G Sunil Kumar Sharma Director RIMS Imphal Professor N Sanjeev Singh Medical Superintendent RIMS Professor L Rajesh Singh Dean Academics RIMS na athoiba mitunglen oina saruyaki Workshop aduda RIMS Jennings Arunachal Pradesh samadi ICMR Dibrugarh Assam dagi Dr. Samadi Researcher Kuntra Marina Saruyaki.
And I have been part of a program some time back at Delhi, hosted by Madam Darkat and group, and it was a huge, collection of resource persons, and we were really inspired to have that gathering that really drive the inner, sort of how we do research in our country, and the lectures given by the head of ICMR director, and everyone was very inspiring. And after that, this place, especially for last 1.5 years, since the beginning of the leadership from the present Professor Jiten, we have seen a vast change of research across to the institute. And I'm very thrilled to see those changes over the last few months, and we are very much at a place to start a new innings for a research activity at this place.